5 shocking facts about microwave ovens. Number 5. They use non-ionizing radiation. This is the same type of radiation that's used in TV remotes and cell phones. Basically, they shake the food to make it hot. It can't damage your DNA like X-rays can. Number 4. They heat food by vibrating water molecules at 2.45 gigahertz. No. 3. Putting metal in a microwave can cause dangerous arcing, but some metal, like the metal grids in the door, are actually safe. No. 2. Microwaving vegetables often preserves more nutrients than boiling them. And there's no evidence that microwaves make food radioactive. That's a myth. Now you're welcome. Now stay tuned for more fun science facts.